Welcome to the ET197 how-to video on PLC Timers number 2 part B. Okay, so let's use an internal function that we have to simulate the very first one we did, which was a timed output. So let's go to a coil and we're going to go over this, and it's timed out. And let's do 3 seconds so we can see it. Good. And let's go directly to a lamp. That way we don't need to use an internal relay. Good. We're going to go to Y3. And I think I can name it here. Yes, I can. Yeah, let's just use it timed out. And let's go. We may not be able to see it because it's internal. Okay, and let's go ahead and put X4 here. For our switch, X4. And we're going to call that S4 timed out. Good. Except that should be a 4, not a... There we go. Right, select. And good. That's it for that one. So, again, let's check our mode. Yes. So we're going to accept, save, write PLC, OK. Yes, project disk. Alrighty, so let's bring up our simulator. Turn off Y3 and we're going to go to Y4. So let's see. We should get a 3-second. Yes, we got a 3-second burst. Y3's on for 3 seconds. Good. Okay, let's do some internal ST functions. There's a list of those and there's a lot of different functions. And we're going to start with our ST4, which is a 1-second timer. So let's go ahead and let's go back up to this guy, and I'm going to make him Y4. And this guy I am going to make Y5. Yeah, flasher out. That's close enough. Okay, so let's start. So accept, write, save. And it's flashing. And it'll continue the flash, so we could put a switch in here to stop it. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's put it in program here so I could... Alright, let's use an ST. Let's use an ST1. Okay, this is an on. Okay, so this will not allow us to connect directly to power on some functions unless it has an on. This is especially important when we start doing other functions. But this will work normally. And let's go back to run. And now our flasher's working. Let's turn it back to program and let's use off. There are times that we would like to use off. Let's see, I think it's 2. Let's try ST2. Good. Good guess. Let's turn it back on, run. Accept. And now you see it's off, and it'll permanently turn off our lights. So there's some functions that when we're troubleshooting or otherwise we want to use the off function. Okay, let me show you the trailing edge one shot. So we're going up to contacts, and it'll be right there, or it'll be here, Shift F3. Let's do that. So we're going to call him X6. And I'm going to have to make a little special setup here in order to get a trailing edge to work. So I'm going to call this SW6 trailing. Okay, that looks close enough. Okay, so over here I am just going to use a Y6. We're going to make it a lamp for the demo, and I'm going to call it trailing lamp. Good, good, good. And right, select. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a timed output under here in order for us to get this demo to work. There he is. He's going to be in our coils. In 3 seconds. And our output, let's make it Y7. And do not maintain, so we're not going to use that. Do not. Ready. Good. And let's see if I could jump it from there, or do I need to move over one? Let's see. Oh, we could use our horizontal too. Alrighty. Get back here. Okay, that's done. Let's go ahead and accept, save, write. Okay, yes. Alrighty, so this one we're going to probably need a couple shots to get it to work. Okay, so that's X6. Right now, it looks green. Okay, so let's go ahead and X6. Okay, that's off, and we're looking for on. There it is right there. So we got set 3 seconds, and it's off. Let's do it again. X6, so we want to go from on to off. And we have it on, 3 seconds is off. On to off. And our switch is off. Good. Okay, let's do a little documentation here. So I want to go to Tools, and I want to go to the document editor, and I could change any one of these just like that. So I want to change Y1 according to my instructions. So T1. So I'm going to call this T1, 1, and this is just a text base, so we could put anything in there and don't have to worry about underscores or things like that. And I am going to put a comment, a description. I like this one. Okay, and I'm going back. So here's our documentation. We're going back to main. And you see that I've added a description and a comment. Okay, let's do one more. So we're going to go up here, and let's go to Tools, and this time we're going to go to Comment Editor, sorry. And we could call this whatever. We're going to call this our first one shot. Using timer 1. Okay, so okay, And now I have a comment on top of each one of these, so we could narrate and let other people who follow us when we design this figure out what's going on. So we could put notes. Good.